Amankwah, trust me, I really like now your behavior in school now. You are very decent. I like it. Eh? I like how you are doing. You have to be very serious, Amankwah. You have to learn hard. Okay? Your parents came to us. Huh? You don't want me to teach you and this guy. Because I told your parents I've seen this bright future in you. That you gotta learn hard. You gotta teach, we gotta train you. Teach you some little skills, then you're gonna take over. So please, with this extra classes, don't joke with it. Okay, Amankwah, you're a very nice person. All these big people in Ghana right now, they learned. They went to school. Ministers, MPs, all the president. You want to be them like them? You have to go to school. You can't even be a big man without no school. Amankwah, okay? So all what we are doing right now, if we teach you and you become a big man, what do you want to be right now?
Let the future come so we will think for the future.
You have to get your vision, your mission, like your real thing that you want to do. You can't, if you don't have to just have anything on your mind like you want to do anything.
I want to become a doctor in future.
Doctor what? So right now, if you become like this doctor, what kind of doctor do you want to be?
Native doctor. Amankwah, are you serious right now?
Yo, they have no future. Let's go.
Native doctor. Doctor one.
If I become native doctor, you'll be my smaller god.
Doctor one.
We all don't have a future.